Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix your professional mode problem in Facebook. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is you can update your Facebook app, and this is the first method that we are going to do. There are three methods that I'm going to show you, and the first way is to update your Facebook app. So you go ahead to the App Store and you search for Facebook. If it says open, it means that your Facebook app has been updated to the latest version. If it says update, then you need to update the app. And if it does not work, we can move on to the second method, which is you need to clear the cache in your Facebook. And you can do that by going ahead to settings. You want to go ahead to general settings, and you want to look for iPhone storage. Look for iPhone storage, and the next thing you can do is look for the Facebook app, and you want to offload app. You can just offload the app, and if that does not work, we will move to the third method, which is the most efficient method of fixing the problem, and that is reporting the problem. And you can report the problem in your Facebook menu. All you have to do is click on the three dashes on the bottom right corner of your screen, and when you can click back, and you want to scroll all the way down to help and support. You want to click on help and support, and you want to click on report a problem. And once you report the problem, then Facebook will be sure to fix your problem. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.